How to fix brightness not working in Windows 11. First, restart your PC, as temporary system glitches can sometimes cause brightness issues. Next, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and check if your graphics driver is working properly. Right-click the display adapter and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically. If the issue started after an update, open Properties and roll back the driver. Now, open Settings, go to System, then Display, and make sure the brightness slider is available and adjusted correctly. Also check that Night Light is turned off. Next, open Services by pressing Windows plus R, typing services.msc, and pressing Enter. Find Display Enhancement Service or related services and make sure they are running. If you are using a laptop, check your keyboard brightness keys and graphics control panel. Finally, update Windows from Settings and install all pending updates. These steps fix brightness issues for most users. Thanks for watching.